my God! I found food! I am so hungry! I have not eaten since yesterday! My bear! Mom! Dad! Anna, what happened?
She pushed me. She broke my bear. No, it was an accident. I did not mean it.
It is okay. We can buy another. Please do not cry like this.
No, it is her fault.
Anna, stop. Please calm down.
Lily, are you okay? Are you hurt?
I am okay.
Are you hungry? You hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Come with us. We will give you food.
This is really good. Thank the food.
Eat more. Do not be shy. You must be very hungry.
Should she stay with us?
Yes, she needs a home.
You are part of our family now.
Really? I will be good.
Why her?
I do not like this.
Remember, the sitter will be here soon. Behave for Grandpa, okay?
We love you, girls. See you tonight. Anna, please stay home.
Take care of each other, okay?
If you want to stay here, help me.
Clean the bedroom and do my homework.
What do you mean?
I do not understand. If you do not do it, I will tell them bad things. I will say you are lazy and not helpful. Okay, I understand. I will do it. I did everything today. I washed dishes. I also finished all the homework. Good job! You worked very hard today. Lily, what did you do today? Did you help? You can tell them. It is okay.
Yes, she helped a little today.
Lily, excellent work. Anna, give me your paper now. But this is mine. I worked hard for it. Do you want to stay or not? Then give it to me. Okay, I understand. And Anna, an A. That is amazing.
An A in math. You did it!
We are incredibly proud of you, sweetheart. You did great. I am proud of you.
It is okay, Lily. Try again next time. We still believe in you.
Why do you still care about her? It feels like she took everything from me. I never wanted to take anything from you. I never tried to replace you. My head hurts. I feel very hot. I do not feel good. Anna, are you okay? Wait, you are very hot. You have a fever. It is okay. I am here. You will feel better soon. Why are you helping me? Because you are my sister. I cannot leave you. You stayed stayed with me all night. I was wrong. I misunderstood you. Thank you, Lily.
Anna, are you okay now?
Dad, I need to tell the truth. Lily did all the housework and homework. She also did the test. I took her grade.
Anna, why did you do that? You could tell us the truth.
I was jealous and selfish. I was afraid you would stop loving me, so I used her and took everything. I hurt you many times. You never complained or fought back. And you still saved me, sister. Can you forgive me? I already forgave you. Come here.
Thank you for telling the truth.
Thank you for being honest.
I have something for you. This is my favorite toy.
Are you sure? Yes, you are more important.
I have never had something like this. Now you do. I will share everything. This is all I wanted.
I am proud of you, Anna.
And I am thankful for you, Lily.
You are both our daughters.
Family is about love and forgiveness.
We love you both so much.
Always remember that, sweeties. If you like this story, please subscribe.
Tell us, have you ever said sorry?
Thank you for watching our story. See you again soon.